friends, do you know what time it is? It's potty time! Let's sing together! I feel a wiggle in my tummy. That means it's time to go. I stop and say, excuse me. Then off to the potty I go. Let's go! I walk, walk, walk to the potty. I pull my pants down low. I sit and wait so patiently. Then plop and yay I go! Here I can go potty, yes I can. I'm doing great, I've got a plan. Wipe, flush, and wash, hooray! I'm a big kid every day. Good job, me! Good job, you! Potty time is what we do. Clap, clap, clap and spin around. It's fun to sit, not on the ground. If I feel an oopsie coming, that's okay, you see. I just try again next time. That's how I learn to pee. And if we make a mistake, that's okay. We're still learning. You're doing amazing! I can go potty, yes I can. I'm doing great, I've got a plan. Wipe, flush, and wash, hooray!